John with Dow Dynamics, excited to introduce our new RGBW DRL boards for the 19 to 20 Ram 2500 and 3500 Premium Laramie Longhorn and Limited. We do offer a version of these for the midline trim packages if you want to check those out. Now, these lights are fully RGBW, which means with our Bluetooth controller you'll have access to thousands of color options. They also include an independent white LED chip, which will give you a crisp, cool white DRL that's far brighter than factory. As you may know, Rams have a finicky CAN bus system, which can cause flickering or require you to use a separate toggle switch to power the lights. What separates these boards apart is our integrated solid-state relay, which allows you to pull clean power directly from the battery while maintaining the ability to use your factory controls. Our RGBW DRL boards were proudly CAD designed by our engineers right here in St. Louis, Missouri to be an OEM-grade drop-in replacement for your factory DRLs. If you're looking to pick up our RGBW boards for your vehicle or any of our other products, visit our website at dowdynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.